question, then I will about the game, because I am not too much into games. I would like to, but I don't play games and don't know too much about that, so yeah. So sometimes I can ask some stupid question about the game, and at that time I will like hear, but more or less I like just watch what the person on stream is doing with game, art and all, and I like also have like my music, like when I watch that I have like some person open, and I can only like watch and have my music that I am listening from my computer, and I am making something, working, whatever. That's my way. Yes, will pillow. With pillow. Yes, I like that also. And when like windows like this with pillows, like in Sims 4, I lots of times like use kind of windows that have like too small. I need to sit more. Two smalls here, and in center have one bigger that can open, and have extra lines on windows with wood or some like metal thing. Yeah, and like some cute curtains, pillows and all. Yeah, I will like have. When I was kid, I was liking to sit like at evening on like window and to watch stars and all long hours. But like Poland, like my parents' house is this way that there's like a big bunch under the wood bunch, like maybe. So you can sit, maybe little smaller, can sit on that, but more problem is jump there, cause it's like for kids, like high to jump, and I was like having always like some poof, some small chair there, and I was just going cause I was too lazy to like jump, so I had this there. And yeah, crazy me, cause like people saw me, cause yeah, window is like in center of village, like go from my room there in parents' house, so everybody can see me. But I was like watching that at night, like when cats was or dogs walking summer outside, when you hear some like night summer insects like this that make like sound like violin, something like g grass, copper, something like you can hear, and frogs and all, and cute sky, and it's warm, you can't sleep, so yes. Oh, I am late with chat. Wolfman, I am sure she doesn't not talk to prefer. Probably just miss your comments because I am a fast typer and talk too much. Yeah, like I have problems sometimes, like when I am stopping talking, I can miss some like short sentence. Yeah. Stuff happens, but I think I take all. Yeah, I was catching more or less what Wolfman was talking. Oh no, I am that bad. See, be honest, Wolfman, if you ever need anyone to talk to, or even just make you laugh, you can call me on. No, to make you laugh, you can just watch the stream, Wolfman, and you can see me, and I am always talking stupid stuff, so maybe that will make you better humor. Or private message, Laura. Yes, if guys you have some problem, mental problem, other kinds of problem, people saying I am good with like logistic thinking and all figuring out problems, so maybe I can like help you some advice, maybe like even my advice will don't help you, but my advice can give you idea for other stuff, for other problem to how figure out other problem or something. Cause like yesterday I was talking with Sam, and we was talking with Sam about trolls, and that talk give me idea, make something future, but little farther future, like half year or something, cause that will take time. Talk with her at that time about other idea that was bad idea, but new idea that was good idea. I don't know. like my idea for problem that we was talking about with Sam was bad idea, but all this talk give me great idea for like fixing something on my channel in future. Because I was struggling, because I want to do something, but don't know how. And now I have some idea, and yeah, I was talking about that to friend, and friend will help me make that dream come true. But like we will see when, because my friend is very busy, at least now, so now can't do anything. I'm sorry, I am so bad with reading. Yes, they are nice too. Good morning, our beautiful Laura. Oh, Gary, hey. Hope you are well. I've been hearing your voice all morning, so I'll decide to say hello. Much love to and the Viking. Thank you. Later I will talk Viking. As you know, Viking is now here, but later I will talk Sammy and Gary. Say hi. Oh, wait, in the windows with the metal on them. Apparently, they are poisons to cats. Yes? Okay, so I don't want these windows. Yes, I was thinking about these windows, but now I don't want this window. But you can also make like wood there, not metal, but small wood pieces or something. Then will be not poison. Sam. Gary, you can like behave. Don't say bad stuff on chat. You read the rules of chat. Shouldn't use bad words on my chat, because this is family friendly chat, and and we still wait for affiliate, and I don't want make Twitch don't love me more than he don't it. More than Twitch don't love me now. Don't make me time you out. I got a big square to poke you with. Yes. Tammy, don't sleep. I also don't sleep. So, Gary, behave. You have... Oh, I don't have. Gary, you have yellow pastels for behave, and next pastel it's red, and if you have a later red, you will be banned for sometimes on I'm sorry, this is the rule here, like in football. First you have yellow card, and later you have red card, and yeah, and beware that you will have some consequence. Me or my mods will do something. creepy like this. What I was reading. I got a big sword to pick you with. Yes, I miss stuff all the time. I am trying don't miss stuff, but I am trying my best. Yeah, I am not like good with reading in English, like you can see. So I need time with that. And because of that, I am stressing and I can not. I don't want to miss any comments, but stuff happened. Yes, it's good to talk. I always want those window to that how I found out about that. Ah, yeah, that's how I found about that window. That isn't a bad word, Laura. It means close your like for Polish people. That is bad. So I don't know. Like for Polish people, that is bad. If Polish people that speak will hear what guys say, they will think that that's bad. So and no, I don't know if that is a bad word in UK or somewhere, but like in Poland, like word Satan is like normal, like talk about Bible something Satan, so like normal word, and like in Norwegian that is bad word, like didn't say that, like because people say that normally when something comes wrong way and don't want to use word pork or something, they use other word, but that's like if you use that word, that really like really bad to use. No culture, nothing, you bad person. It had been bad word. I've just time him out. Okay, like Tammy, if you on chat, you can like for bad words like for 10 minutes give somebody banned. I don't know if you can like for this short time. I don't want like for first time make somebody like be like on chat banned for long time, but like will be nice, like they will like remember for next time, and like very short time out is good like for okay, you do you want me to time him out? No, it's okay. It's okay. No, he have yellow color now, so he know rules now that he must be really be careful on my stream. He say he is sorry, he doesn't know that. So now you know, Gary, when you come to Poland, don't say that anywhere, cause yeah, that's bad stuff. Polish people, maybe they don't speak English, like lots of people in Poland don't speak English, but they understand English swearing, cause a lot in like Polish movies and like American movies, and they catch this kind of stuff. So be careful. I'm sorry, I don't not know about the translation. So first time warning, then very short time out. Yes, something like that will be nice. That like first is like just I will show here like yellow pastel or some yellow card here, and that's like a first warning, and I am saying that later will be like yellow red card, and with yellow red card will be some small punish, and later total disaster, total destroy of person on channel. Wahaha. and it's like, you know, like if you don't mean good, bad, like yesterday I saw somebody chat and was coming one person to chat and was writing something that person that write comment don't mean bad, but streamer was like was really like touched by comment, you can say, and like that person that write comment just go from chat cause that person say sorry and was writing that okay, I will just leave chat cause like that don't want disturb or yeah. So first time warning, yes. No, it's okay, as Laura say, you didn't know. Yes. Next time we'll have to time you out, sorry love, but those are Sam, you like when you are mod on my channel, you are like free worker here. Yeah, but like you work like at work, like if you will go to shop and be selling stuff there and Gary will come, you will treat Gary like your customer, and here it's like same, that like you must treat him like other people, same, not like special way or something. Only like when he gives some tip on channel, you can then him better. Next time we'll have to time you out at the same. Oh, what was there? Oh, Betty. Stop spamming. Oh. Come back, guys. Problem with lots of emotes, I think, because we had this before, and my mods was fixing that, but now a problem is comebacking. Oops, pity. Hi, person in the mirror. Hi guys, happy to wake up and notice it on, so I am trying to laptop work. However, it's 5 at morning. Oh, I feel sorry for you, Miro, because I also wake up today early because it was too warm at the morning, and now it's like, I don't know, I am sweaty. But don't worry, person in the mirror, sleep. I wish you good night. Oh, guys, I can say I had dream tonight that I was in zoo, but like really like you know, story about Chernobyl, like almost like Chernobyl zoo, that like everything was like destroyed, and you had fears like you go on start this zoo, you go through door, and was like first you go to building and then you go outside. And in this building, you had some like boxes with some like animal, stuffed animal, you know, that are not alive. And you go later through that, and was all looking little like all Russian types, so like all Chernobyl, that all zoo was like almost like empty, like was one worker there and wasn't too much animals, was like empty spaces that should be their animals and wasn't, and everything was in bad shape, cages was destroyed, everything, and in like 3-4 cages only was some